All right, time now to get to the weather. If you didn't enjoy today, brighter days ahead.
Yes, tomorrow is actually probably going to be the best day of the next couple weeks, I would say.
No pressure.
So yeah, enjoy it because we've got a big pattern change that it's going to be getting colder, and it looks like it'll stay cold for a while as we get into January. Rain tonight, mainly moving away. North of Bangor now, we do have some steady rain falling up through the county. Still a little bit of rain over far down east around Passamaquoddy Bay, and steady rain up over the county. But for the rest of us, we just have some fog, which has been pretty stubborn, as temperatures are in the 40s to near 50 in most of central and southern Maine right now. Storm system starting to pull away, and we do luck out with this area of dry weather for the day tomorrow. And I think it's dry through even midnight tomorrow night. But then this system comes in early Wednesday morning, and for most of us it'll be rain, but if you get up in the higher elevations, that's where we will see some snow out of this next system. So if you're stepping out this evening, be aware that there are some patches of dense fog, and that will be the case for probably the next 2 or 3 hours. And then as we go through the evening, that fog should start to thin a little bit. We'll find a clearing sky overnight. Temperatures don't drop dramatically, but it will be cooler tomorrow morning. Low to mid 30s for most of us first thing in the morning. A lot of sunshine for most of us tomorrow. A little bit more cloud cover in the mountains, and there won't be much wind at all tomorrow, just a light wind through the day. So all in all, pretty nice end to 2024 with temperatures above average. 6 o'clock tomorrow evening, we're still dry, but clouds start coming in. And then this is midnight tomorrow night. And at that point, temperatures are in the 30s to maybe even near 40 in some spots. So we've had plenty of New Year's Eves that have been colder than this one will be. But after midnight tomorrow night, this precipitation starts moving in. And early Wednesday morning, rain will be breaking out across most of central and southern Maine. But once you get up in the higher elevations, it will be colder. And I think that in elevations above 1,500 or 2,000 feet, this will be a pretty good accumulating snowfall. So you really have to be near and north of Route 2 for that. I think even in central Maine, this will be mainly rain. There could be a little bit of snow that mixes in, but whatever does fall probably gets washed away. And then we'll have periods of rain that continue through the day on Wednesday, probably heaviest in the morning and then breaking down just to some showers Wednesday afternoon. So mainly rain for many of us. In this gray shaded area, there may be a little bit of snow that falls, but it would be mixed with rain and have trouble accumulating. Once you get up in elevation, though, that's where the numbers will go up. I think 3 to 6 inches of snow is a pretty good bet for most of the mountains, but the higher peaks, Sugarloaf, Saddleback, 6 inches or more, and same story over in the Presidential Range. And they could use a little bit of a refresher snow-wise after the rain we had today. Seas tomorrow will be running 4 to 6 feet with a southwest wind 10 to 20 knots. So tomorrow's the warmest day of the next 7, and even beyond that, because it does look like the pattern will flip colder after this storm goes by on Wednesday. Thursday, there could be a few snow showers in the mountains, but it'll be windy. Temperatures in the 30s, brisk and chilly for Friday, still a little bit gusty then too. And then over the weekend, it looks dry but cold. There could be another storm on Monday, but sometimes in these situations, it's so cold that the storm track actually gets shifted south of us. So we'll just have to see where that storm ends up. We may end up just being cold and dry, or maybe we get some snow next Monday or Tuesday.
Okay.
So, plenty of time to keep an eye on it.
Yes, you bet.
Exactly.
Enjoy tomorrow if you like the warmth. Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks,
Ryan.
You're welcome.